Hey there. Thanks for watching my stacked review by Glynn Kosky, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This stacked review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research the stacked platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when our next video comes out. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what Stacked promises us. Exposed, a $2.3 trillion breakthrough, pays them for one single click. 100% done for you one-click system that pays them $247 plus every time they click the reload button. Push button system that's so easy even an 80-year-old could do it. No expenses, no experience, no tech skills. And now if we look at the bullet points on the right, that reminded me of the last sales page I saw from Glynn Kosky. If we take a look at that and scroll down to the bullet points, they tell you how much they're making per day on the top line. They talk about the beta testers here and over here. 60 seconds seems to be his favorite amount of time because he's got 60 seconds on Stacked as well. So it looks like he just copy and pasted and maybe rearranged some of these. Free buyer traffic built in, free buyer traffic in record time. So he didn't even bother to change the sales page very much for his new product. And if we scroll down a little bit further, he is up to his old tricks again, where the testimonials that you'll find here are not actually real people. They are stock photos that you can find on the internet, and you can use them over and over again. So he can't even find any real people that want to give him testimonials on this product. Let's take a look inside the dashboard. So once we come into the dashboard, this too looks just like Cached from earlier this month, and the one before that, and the one before that. So you can see by the tabs on the left, he is just recycling this dashboard over and over again and selling it for different reasons. Of course, the first thing we always do is go to the tutorials. Altogether, you get about 30 minutes of training for the actual Stacked product. They go through each button that's on here and tells you what it does. There are places for affiliate links in here that we're going to go over, and this is where you would go to get approval for the affiliate link. The two on the bottom are actually Glynn Kosky's products. And if we take a look, you're still going to have to request approval. So he doesn't even guarantee approval for you to promote the products that he's suggesting that you use in this platform. You do need to integrate your autoresponder. You will do that up here on the right and go into integrations. They give you non-autoresponders to choose from. So if you don't have one of these, you will need one of these. And Stacked is in no way an autoresponder. So any emails that you collect with Stacked, you will have to have an autoresponder to collect the emails and start an email sequence with Stacked. Back on the training, they do have create campaigns training, social sharing tools training, and upgrade training. Down on the bottom is going to be the traffic strategies you see in all of Glynn Kosky's products. This is just copy and pasted in here. Some of these are paid. Some of them they're trying to give you free traffic sources, but they're not actually giving you any free traffic. Back on the main page of the dashboard, this subdomain is already added, so we're not going to change that, but you will add your subdomain in here. It will appear right here in front of newsmaximizer.com, which means that it is a subdomain for you. This will be the only chance you have to put your business name or any of your branding in this URL. And because it's a subdomain, you do not own this. So if this goes down or has any problems, you cannot troubleshoot it. You are at the whim of Stacked to get it up and running again. The welcome video just tells you to go to training, and that if you have any more questions after that, to watch your training again, and then only ask for help in the help section here on the left at the bottom. They will not answer you if you ask for help on YouTube, Facebook, or any other avenue other than this help button here, which I think is a little harsh. So if we take this URL, we'll take a look at it. And this is the website that Stacked made for us. You have an option to put banners in across the top. These are your categories. You have a pop-up ad. If you answer yes, it will take you to a second page where your link will be embedded as well. If we scroll down and take a look at this website, Stacked is giving you the option to input RSS feeds to automatically update content on your website. So these articles are automatically published by the RSS feeds that you choose. What do you think of this website? I think it looks a little cluttered. Everything's kind of all over the place, but that's just my opinion. And as we get down to the bottom, you will realize there's no affiliate disclaimer, there's no privacy policy, and there's no terms of service. All of these are legally required on a website, so you will need to find a way to get them on here. If we look at one of our articles, on each article page, your banner will show up again. You can put another banner across the top, and then you have a side banner on the right. If we go back into the Stack dashboard, campaigns on the left, this is actually your website. If we look at the edit option here, create new, all of these would be blank, so you would just need to fill them in. This is where you can adjust your theme settings for your website. You'll also need to add the autoresponder that you previously integrated. And on the right at the call to action, make sure you put your affiliate link into the button link so you get the sale. Contents is all of your RSS feeds that are in your site. And you do have the option to attach your social media handles, and you would save changes. OTO done for you is an upsell, so we'll move on to content. This is where you're going to pull the RSS feed that you want to update your site when they publish new articles. If we come in here and look at this first one, all you're going to need is the feed link. Decide what status you want it on your site. Make sure you name it. If that RSS feed isn't bringing up any thumbnails, you can add one here. And you can decide what ads, whether banner or sidebar for your site. If you needed to add a new site, you could create new here and enter the same information we just went over. And all of your RSS feeds will be shown here for your site. Let's take a look at this article on our site that we were looking at earlier. Stack told us that they were going to be slightly altering these articles when they bring them to your site, but they are not doing that. This is the original article that was pulled to my site. And it is word for word exactly the same as what was put on my site. Also, if you notice these hyperlinks, I did not put these in here. So these hyperlinks are not my affiliate links. These are the same hyperlinks that are shown in the original article. So it can take people directly off of your page, never to come back. Or even worse, somebody else makes your sale. It's going to be considered duplicate content as well, which means this isn't just going to rank on Google because you actually have a website full of duplicate content. Your categories across the top here, if we go back to the dashboard, this would be where you were able to adjust them. Next, we have ads. This is going to be your banner and your sidebar. You could create a new one. We'll just look at one that's already done. Ads URL is where you would make sure to put your affiliate link for whatever ad you have decided to put in here. And you can choose a banner or sidebar. Next is a pop-up ad. That's the one that shows up in the bottom right-hand corner here. You can create one or edit an already done one. Be sure before you get to ads and pop-up that you have gone and gotten your affiliate links for the products that you want to promote. In the pop-up, it goes in the second page under button link. And that is all for the customization of your Stacked website. We also have a free traffic button down here because they did tell us that we were going to have free buyer traffic built in. So let's take a look. This is the same in all Glynn Kosky's products. He wants you to watch a video, and then there are 4 different apps that he would like you to download and start using. He also has some more training. And after that, if you're really, really lucky, he may give you some of his old emails that he's already sent all of his offers to. That means they're not going to get you a whole lot of traffic. The only other option you have for traffic are these social sharing sites on the left side of your made web page. If we click the plus button, again, you'll see this is an add to this situation where they really have just taken every single app they can think of and just thrown it on this page for you. And it doesn't matter how many buttons are here, right? Pick any of these buttons. If you're going to send this page to that button, hoping somebody will buy something from you, think about who's on that list. If you sent this directly to Twitter right now, who's on that list? Is it your friends and your family? Or is it people that know you do affiliate marketing and want suggestions from you on things to buy? Because if it is not people that know you do affiliate marketing and want suggestions from you for things to buy, you will not make any additional sales using Stacked. What is the strategy that Stacked wants you to use? They want you to come in and create a site using other people's RSS feeds to update your site, sharing it on all these social media options, hoping and praying somebody out there is going to click on your affiliate link or opt in to give you a lead or sales. My first problem with that is that this site is just cluttered. There's also no legal pages like affiliate disclaimers or privacy policies like we've discussed, and those are legally required. It also allows other people to put links directly onto your site depending on where you're pulling your content from. And as for collecting these emails down at the bottom, if you don't have an autoresponder integrated, you'll never get these emails. The only thing we have left to look at on Stacked is the upgrades. It's $17 on the front end. Over here on the left under upgrades, there's a total of 8. If we go back to the first page of the dashboard, on the right over here is a total of 10 upgrades. If we look at what they first put out, they only had 6 upgrades, and this one is the same one we see in all of Glynn Kosky's products. And I also found this one. Since this is the only one I have found with titles and prices, we'll just go over these 7 real quick. You get the unlimited version for $67. Upsell number 2 is 100% done for you at $97. Upsell number 3 is unlimited traffic at $97. Upsell number 4 is automation at $67. Upsell number 5 is ATM at $197. Upsell number 6 is ultimate at $197. And upsell number 7 is a license rate at $67. All total, just for these 7, because we know there's 3 more upsells out there somewhere, this is going to run you $806+ for Stacked. Guys, there's nothing breakthrough about this. We never found a reload button anywhere. They really hope you don't have experience so that you'll get stuck in this loop and keep buying their products. It's going to take a lot longer than 60 seconds. And there is no free built-in traffic at all. Please don't waste your time, your money, or your efforts on Stacked. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And I really hope this Stacked review answered all of your questions. But if it didn't, be sure to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching!